Imagine this. You walk into a tech showroom in Tokyo, and right there, standing perfectly still, but somehow alive, is a woman, or so your brain insists. Her skin looks soft, her eyes glisten with a spark of life, and when she turns her head toward you, you feel that eerie moment where your mind asks, wait, is she real? Welcome to the world of humanoid robots machines, so lifelike. They're blurring the line between artificial intelligence and human emotion. And here's the twist. Some of them aren't just prototypes in secret labs. Let's start with Harmony. She's not just a machine. She's a revolution in artificial companionship. Created by the engineers at RealDoll's AI division, Harmony isn't marketed as a helper or an assistant. No, she's designed to be your partner. With her realistic silicone body, expressive face, and an AI-driven personality, Harmony talks, flirts, and even remembers details about you. She can adapt to your mood, hold conversations, and express affection in ways that are disturbingly convincing. You can customize her voice, appearance, and even her personality type, whether you want her shy, confident, playful, or deeply romantic. Prices start around $12,000, but what you're really buying isn't just technology, it's an illusion. A digital companion who never argues, never ages, and never leaves. For many, that's both fascinating and frightening. But not all humanoid robots are built for love or intimacy. Meet Naen, a social robot from Singapore's Nanyang Technological University. Naen is like that colleague who never forgets your name. She's designed for social engagement, equipped with an advanced memory system that remembers faces, voices, and even previous conversations. Imagine walking into a care home and being greeted by a friendly face who knows exactly how you've been feeling for weeks. That's Naen's purpose, to bring empathy, warmth, and continuity into human interaction. Now, let's fly to Japan, where robotics and beauty collide. Asuna, often called the Eternal Idol, is one of the most visually stunning humanoids ever created. With her porcelain skin, delicate facial movements, and a soft, melodic voice, Asuna looks like a real Japanese pop star frozen in time, originally built for exhibitions. She's a cultural icon representing Japan's vision of human-like androids. She's not meant for intimacy, but her realistic gestures and micro-expressions make her almost indistinguishable from a living person. Custom models can cost upwards of $20,000, but people don't buy Asuna for what she does. They buy her for what she represents, the pursuit of mechanical perfection. But technology isn't just about looks, it's about purpose. Enter Grace, a humanoid nurse built by Hanson Robotics, the same company that gave us the world-famous Sophia. Grace isn't a showpiece. She's a healthcare assistant designed to comfort the sick and elderly. She can check your temperature, monitor your mood, and speak in multiple languages. Her silicone face is warm, calm, and reassuring, a design meant to build trust, not attraction. Grace's mission is simple yet profound, to bring compassion into technology. With prices ranging from $10,000 to $15,000, hospitals around the world are already exploring how robots like Grace can fill the gaps in patient care. She's not about intimacy, she's about empathy. And then there's Aiko. Built in Japan by engineer Latrung, Aiko became famous not just for her looks, but for her functionality. She can read, recognize faces, hold objects, and even respond to touch.
That's right.
Her silicone skin contains tactile sensors that detect contact. Originally designed as a household helper, Aiko quickly became a global fascination after early buyers requested customization for companionship. With a price tag of around $15,000, Aiko walks the fine line between servant and solmatan, unsettling glimpse into how personal robotics might reshape relationships. In Russia, things take a slightly different turn with Ellen, a humanoid created by Promobot. Ellen was designed as an entertainer and conversationalist, not a tool. With advanced facial recognition and AI-powered speech, she can mimic human body language so fluidly it feels like talking to a real person. Ellen's design is striking long hair, elegant posture, and eyes that seem to follow you wherever you go. Buyers can even customize her face and wardrobe to their taste. Unlike Grace or Aiko, Ellen is openly marketed as a companion. She can laugh, flirt, and emotionally engage, something many claim helps combat loneliness. Priced between $8,000 and $12,000, she's become one of the most popular consumer robots in Russia. Then there's Android AI, a prototype from Japan that looks shockingly human. She blinks, smiles, and even mimics micro-expressions, the tiny involuntary movements that make humans believable. Her conversations are limited, but her appearance is breathtaking. Dressed professionally, with a composed expression and natural body language, Android AI feels like the future of robotic realism. But let's switch gears for a moment, from intimacy to creativity. Meet AIDA, the world's first humanoid artist. Developed in the UK, AIDA doesn't just replicate what she sees, she interprets it. Using cameras in her eyes and robotic arms, she paints portraits, abstracts, and original works inspired by her perception. Her creators describe her as a fusion of AI and imagination. She's performed at art galleries around the world, even sparking debates about whether a robot can truly create. And now, we reach the robot that many call the future of AI companionship, Andromeda. Sleek, futuristic, and elegant. Andromeda looks like she just walked off a sci-fi movie set. Built with neural network-driven AI, she can hold natural conversations, recognize gestures, and adapt to human emotions in real time. Her smooth movements and realistic responses create an uncanny sense of presence. She's available in different custom appearances and personality presets, from playful to intellectual. Marketed openly as a personal companion, Andromeda is a mix of warmth, sophistication, and pure technology. Priced between $12,000 and $18,000, she represents where the emotional side of AI might be heading. From the Middle East comes Dasha, a humanoid robot designed with cultural sensitivity in mind. With traditional attire, modest aesthetics, and bilingual fluency in Arabic and English, Dasha bridges robotics with regional values. She's designed for companionship and conversation within respectful boundaries. For societies that prefer discretion, Dasha offers connection without crossing cultural lines. She has priced between $9,000 and $14,000 and has become a quiet success among private buyers in the Gulf region. China, of course, couldn't stay behind. Meet Chen, a humanoid robot designed for both domestic help and companionship. Chen can recognize faces, detect mood changes, and adapt her tone accordingly. Whether you need someone to remind you of tasks, help with routines, or just talk after a long day, Chen delivers a level of emotional presence few machines can match. Her lifelike silicone skin, elegant features, and soothing voice make her feel less like a gadget and more like a quiet friend. Prices range between $7,000 and $12,000, and she's already selling fast through Chinese robotics retailers. But the queen of realism, the one who has stolen the internet's heart, is Ameca. Built by the British company Engineered Arts, Ameca is often called the most advanced humanoid robot in the world, and it's easy to see why. Her facial expressions are so detailed, so natural, that you can literally feel her emotions. She smiles, squints, raises her eyebrows, and reacts to human speech in real time. Unlike most humanoids, Ameca doesn't try to look fully human. She's a mix of gray metal and lifelike skin, a contrast that somehow makes her even more mesmerizing. She's not built for companionships, she's built to push the boundaries of a eye-human interaction. Priced between $133,000 and $150,000. Ameca isn't for the average consumer, but for the robotics world, she's a symbol of just how far we've come. And finally, meet Android Naen, one of the newest, most affordable companion robots available for personal buyers. She may not have Ameca's hyper-realistic expressions, but she's warm, friendly, and approachable. Naen can talk, recognize household items, and assist with small tasks. She's simple, reliable, and customizable for emotional companionship. With prices starting at $6,000, she's quickly becoming the entry-level humanoid partner for tech enthusiasts worldwide. So, after exploring all these incredible creations from the romantic to the artistic, from the caring to the creative one, question remains. Are humanoid robots replacing humans? Maybe not yet. But they are changing what we expect from connection, service, and companionship. Humans bring emotion, chaos, and unpredictability, beautiful flaws that make life real. Robots, on the other hand, bring consistency, patience, and a promise to be there, exactly how you want them, whenever you want them. It's not about replacing love or friendship, it's about redefining it in a digital age. And as these humanoids evolve, so will our relationship with them. One day soon, we might look back and realize this was the moment we first blurred the line between humanity and creation. So what do you think? Would you live with one of these robots? Or does the idea of synthetic companionship make you uneasy? Drop your thoughts below, because the future isn't just coming. It's already here, staring back at you. And it looks more human than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.